Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, great practical car this. So Golf 1.6 TDI BlueMotion Tech Match DSG automatic. 2014, registered in the latter part of the year on a 64 plate, 56,000 miles. Good, very good service history. Just had the cam belt replaced. Only 56,000 miles, just MOT'd for a year, new brakes, cam belt, great service history, £8,795, quite well spec'd as well, with front and rear park sensors, lock-on cruise control, nice alloy wheels, paintwork and bodywork, very nice. Clearly been looked after. Light grey trim inside as well, which is nice. Should be able to see through there. There's new brake discs and new brake pads. And there, not heavily stone chipped or anything. Nice light grey trim. Switch the airbag off there, so electric windows. It's got VW Golf fitted match with mats with a contrasting edging. Freezing cold climate and air conditioning. Obviously lock on cruise control, flat bottom multifunction steering wheel, electric handbrake, auto hill hold. It's got your driving modes as well. Driving mode selection, you can have normal, sport, eco and individual. Got to be very economical this. I've driven it, it is lovely. Super clean in the back. Rear electric windows, rear park sensors, BlueMotion technology. 102 grams per kilogram, so very cheap tax. Spare wheel, jack, wheel brace, alloy wheel locking key, tool kit, parcel shelf. I mean, really, the paintwork is lovely. Wheels are nice. Tyres have all got lots of tread on. No scuffs on the bumpers, got front fog lamps, heated mirrors, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, all electric windows, automatic headlamps, Bluetooth DAB radio, self-parking assistant, freezing cold aircon. No wear on the seat. Lovely car that. So average MPG combined 72.4 miles to the gallon. Those are the official figures. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.